Hey everybody. Not long finished live stream, so it's now getting on for 11:30 and I've just got a drink and I'm coming to bed, but not before I do a couple of videos. So, because I've got something to say. So, first, got my coffee in my posh mug. Whoops. In my posh spoon. That I can have a swig of Bailey's in. It just took me an age to get this darn lid off. I nearly broke my wrist on it. I shouldn't joke about these bones, should I? Glug, glug, glug. Oh, gosh. Eh? Mmm. Oh, gosh, that's strong. Oh. Oh, I won't do that again. Anyway. Oh, golly. That's strong. My tissues. There's my tissues. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that was strong to make my eyes water. Anyway, I've got something to say. And so I'm going to say it and be done with it. I've got quite a lot to say actually, but I'll only concentrate on this one thing for now. And it's Chantal's Flying Monkeys. Okay. So Missy Moo came into the live stream under another name again, but I know it's her because of the way she writes. And we all knew it was her. And she came into the chat and accused one of my children of beating me up. What a terrible thing to say. You know, your family might be like that. Your family might harbour violence. My family doesn't. They were brought up to respect their parents, to respect their aunts and uncles, who they still call auntie and uncle. They were brought up to respect themselves. They were brought up to aim for careers, and that's what they've all done. And you, Missy Moo, all you're aiming for is to be in Chantal's skin. And if you can't do that on YouTube and by being close to her, you'll find a way. Bunny boilers always do, don't they? But bunny boilers, I think, always eventually come unstuck as well. And you're going to come unstuck, Missy Moo. You are an animal hoarder. You've got all those scores of caged birds in your bedroom. You filthy cow. Oh, that's nice. Bit of Baileys and coffee. All those birds, caged birds, not only a health risk to humans, but a health risk to themselves. How often do you clean all their cages out? Not very often by the look of them. And then you've got your dogs. We've seen your dogs unkempt, unwashed, matted coats. You're an animal hoarder. You're the sort of person that in the animal liberation movement, animal rights movement, that, you know, would be pointed the finger at for somebody to help those animals because they need help. It's not funny. You call it the Moo Zoo. The Moo Zoo. Zoos are places of entertainment for humans. They're not places of entertainment for animals. They're places of abuse. And that's exactly what your hobble is. A zoo, in your own words. A place of abuse. So why don't you concentrate on your own business and keep your nose out of mine, because I'm nothing whatsoever to do with you. You might have a grudge against me because you're Chantal's chief flying monkey. Laughable. Let me tell you, I'm sure you've heard it because you haven't gone to Chantal's every word. She made a video the other day about weight loss surgery. You know the one? Oh, it's lovely. Weight loss surgery. Foodie, Chantal Mariam. By the way, you spelt her name wrong. It's not Miriam, it's Mariam. Mariam, not Miriam. Idiots. So Chantal made this video the other day and she was saying that anybody who has weight loss surgery allows themselves to be cut, is the word she used, is an idiot. Missy Moo. Ring any bells for you? My feeling is that people that have weight loss surgery, the majority of them go on to be successful and actually use that as a jumping off point to start their new life and get healthy. They're not losers at all. They're taking control of their lives, not just sitting back and gorging everything that's in sight and thinking that there'll be no repercussions. Now, I don't know what about the other reaction channels, their views are on Foodie. I do know what my views are, and they're not entirely focused on her weight. They're focused on her filth. Her filth, the filth surrounding her, filthy mouth, her filthy mind, her sleeping with married men and laughing about it, her going to a house of immigrants and doing them all, in her words, a social service. I don't need to say any more than that, do I? But you, Missy Moo, because you've had weight loss surgery, she classes you as a loser. How do you feel about that? And you've not only had weight loss surgery some years ago, you're still getting on for £400. You say you're 350. Well, even that you shouldn't be that, should you? You're like a little ball, aren't you? As opposed to a big ball that is Foodie. So you're like a little ball trotting round after her. And when big ball tells you to do something, you do it. You know why? Because you're an idiot. She was right. You're an idiot. You're absolutely laughable. But keep your effing nose away from me and my family. Otherwise, you might find your nose being put right out of joint very publicly. You might do. And by the way, Mr. Moo, you want him to be friends with Salah. Why is that? Is it going to be like with Nada and Dee Dee, only a foursome rather than a threesome? Salah and Mr. Moo, and you and Foodie. What an absolutely delightful combination. Eh? Anyway, to end the video, everybody, I'm going to just show a clip of the moo person and let you be entertained by her. Hang on. Oh, it's got an advert on. Skip that. Sorry, hang on a minute.
Okay guys, so I am trying overnight red curls. My grandma used to do these, so it really brought back memories when I was doing them. I literally just washed my hair, put a little leave-in conditioner, and then... Okay guys, so
Nobody cares.
overnight red curls. My grandma used to do these.
Did she?
So it really brought back memories when I was doing them. I literally just washed my hair, put a little leave-in conditioner, and then...
Ain't she sweet?
Guys, so
See you coming down the street. Well, I ask you very confidentially, ain't she sweet? Ain't she nice? Look her over once or twice. Well, I ask you very confidentially, ain't she nice?
So it really
just cast an eye in her direction. Oh me, oh my, ain't she perfection? Do 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 do, ain't she sweet? See you coming down the street. Now I ask you very confidentially, ain't she sweet?
Okay guys, so I am trying overnight red curls. My grandma used to do these, so it really brought back memories when I was doing them. I literally just washed my hair, put a little leave-in conditioner, and then... Okay guys, so
look at
I am
her.
Trying overnight red curls.
Can't even make a decent video. Look at her.
So it really brought back...
Action.
It's bees in season, this song has no reason. We need a beige leg, give us a beige leg. We want a beige leg. Chubby and bald spots, lentil soup in an Instant Pot. It's bees in season. We need a beige leg, we need a beige leg. Her name is Miriam.
No, it's not. It's Mariam.
Is Syrian. She needs a beige leg. She needs a beige leg. She needs a beige leg. New arc. No more goblin shark. It's bees in season.
Shall we again? Hang on. So this is Missy Moo's love song to Chantal. Go, act, come on.
It's bees in season, this song has no reason.
Here's the birds in the background, she's in a bedroom.
We need a beige leg, give us a beige leg. We want a beige leg. Chubby and bald spots, lentil soup in an Instant Pot. It's bees in season. We need a beige leg, we need a beige leg. Her name is Miriam. Her husband is Syrian. She needs a beige leg. She needs a beige leg. She needs a beige leg. New arc. No more goblin shark. It's bees in season.
Good Lord. What do you think of that, folks? Missy Moo to Chantal. Whee! Should we listen to it one more time? Listen to all the birds in the background. This is in her bedroom, clearly.
It's bees in season. This song has no reason. We need a beige leg. Give us a beige leg. We want a beige leg. chubby and bald spots, lentil soup in an instant pot. It's bees season. We need a beige leg, we need a beige leg. Her name is Miriam, her husband is Syrian. She needs a beige leg, she needs a beige leg, she needs a beige leg.
Well, she's going to get it a brown hairy one.
No more goblin shark. It's bees in season.
Didn't mean that as it came out. Right. Okay. Listen to it one more time, just for the birds.
Bees in season. Song has no reason. We need a beige leg. Give us a beige leg. We want a beige leg. Chubby and bald spots. Lentil soup in an instant pot. It's bees in season. We need a beige leg. We need a beige leg. Her name is Miriam. Her husband is Syrian. She needs a beige leg. She needs a beige leg. She needs a beige leg. New ark. No more goblin shark. It's bees in season.
That's meant to be Nada. Catch you later, everybody.